My why is I really wanted to help my community. I just want to be there to make them feel better.
My motivation for coming to school is my children and my husband. I just kind of want them to see me accomplish something.
The why wall is the why that brought them in the door in the first place, and what inspires them to take action and to see through the entire training program to the end.
My motivation is definitely my daughter. I want her to have a prime example that you can do anything that you set your mind to.
He's right here. My motivation is him and my family. They're really supportive in me continuing school, and I want him to look up to me and see that having a career is a good thing in life.
The why wall is a powerful statement. Students walk by the why wall multiple times a day, and we do that with purpose, to remind them that the reason it brought you here is often the reason it keeps you here and helps you achieve that objective that you originally set out to accomplish.
I want him to have the best in life, and hopefully we can get that by having our goals and reaching our goals.
We need to focus on the future instead of the now, because there's going to be struggles, it's going to be difficult, you're going to be tired.
This is probably going to be one of the toughest things you've ever done, but you are a lot stronger than you think.
Make sure to have that why. That way, on your bad days, if you feel like stepping down or feel like quitting, always resort back to your why.
My why is to help students fulfill their why. I get to see students change their lives, and that fuels me. That's my why. I love this. I would do it for the rest of my life.